Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's question, as you can see, is solve for x. Question is 5 raised to power x raised to power 2 divided by 25 raised to power x is 125. So let us proceed to solve this question. As you can see, I have written the question here. Now I will rewrite it as 5 raised to power x raised to power 2, and 5 square is 25, and whole raised to power x is equal to 5 raised to power 3. 125 can be written as 5 raised to power 3. Now we can write this again as 5 raised to power x raised to power 2 equals to 5 raised to power 3 times 5 raised to power 2 times x, that is 2x. A raised to power m, a raised to power n is a raised to power mn. This is famous exponential equation formula. So I have used this, and 2 times x is 2x. Now this can be further written as 5x square, and as the bases are same, 5 raised to power 3 plus 2x. As you know, we have another famous exponential equation, exponential formula, a raised to power m times a raised to power n is a raised to power mn. Sorry, in this actually there is a slight mistake here. A raised to power m whole raised to power n is a raised to power m, and this is a raised to power m times a raised to power n is a raised to power m plus n. Now that is why it is 3 plus 2x, this 3 and plus this 2x. Now bases are equal, so we can equate exponents. So x square is equal to 3 plus 2x. Now from here we can find the value of x. So this is our quadratic equation. Let me move to the next slide to show you further steps. In the previous slide I got this equation, so I have rewritten it here, and then I can write it further as x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0, and we will factorize the left hand side. So x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equal to 0, and from these two, taking x common, we get x minus 3, and from the next these two terms take one common, so you get x minus 3 equals to 0. Now x minus 3 can be taken common from this. So we are left with this x plus and this 1, as x minus 3 is common. So our final equation, our final factors are x minus 3 and x plus 1. On solving these, we get x equals to x minus 3 equals to 0, which implies x equal to 3, and if x plus 1 is equal to 0, that implies x equals to minus 1. So these are the two solutions we have got. Now we can check our answers whether it is correct. So let me just check it. As you know, this is our equation. So taking x equal to 3, which was one of the solution, x equal to 3, 5 raised to power 3 raised to power 2, and in the denominator it is 25, which you can write 5 square raised to power 3. So this can be further equated to 5 raised to power 3 square is 9, and this is 5 raised to power 6, which gives us 5 raised to power 3, which is equal to 125. Therefore our answer is correct. So x equal to 3 is the right solution, right answer for this question. Similarly, we can check our answer for x equal to -1 also, and we will see this is also right answer. Let me check this also. Now taking x equal to -1, we can plug in the value -1, and 5 raised to power -1 raised to power 2. So -1 square is 1. So I have written 1 here. And 25 is 5 square, and 5 square raised to -1. So that gives you -2. So 5 raised to power 1 divided by 5 raised to power -2, which is 5 raised to power 3, which is 125. So both the answers are correct. That has been checked. If you have any confusion in any step, please do write in the comment section. If you liked my video, please do consider subscribing my channel, like it and share it with your friends. Also, I would like to let you know we conduct online classes for K-12 math, physics, chemistry, test prep like SAT, ACT, GRE, GMAT, math count, math olympiad, MOEMS. Our website is www.math.sciTutors.in, and our email is onlineteacher7@gmail.com. Please do connect to us on these web addresses in case you wish to have online classes with us. Link for joining the class is also provided in the comment section in case you want to join through our link. Thank you very much once again. See you in the next video.